This recipe requires 1 pack of chicken ramen, bean sprouts, tofu, chicken broth, Vietnamese pork, chicken wings, jalapeno pepper, an egg, spam, chives, sesame oil, soy sauce, and vegetable oil. Deep fry the chicken wings in a pot of oil and garnish with sliced jalapeno peppers. Fry an egg and fold it with a gooey center. Sear a thin slice of Vietnamese pork and spam. Boil the tofu and bean sprouts in chicken broth. Remove the tofu and bean sprouts and add the ramen seasoning packets. Bring to boil and add ramen noodles. Plate and top with chives, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Serve immediately as the ramen is only good before it softens. The ramen originates from in Japan. The toppings in the tofu bean sprout soup is common in China. Although the chicken is popular in American Chinese restaurants. The spam is deconstructed from the spam musubi and the Vietnamese pork is from the Vietnamese sandwich. Use these meats sparingly as they have strong tastes.